Hi.
Hi.
How's it going?
It's good.
How's your Thursday night?
Yeah, I was wondering.
Yeah, so I'm Alex.
I'm Ivy.
And yeah, we're gonna start doing vlogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. So tonight we're hanging out at Ivy's. Here's her room.
Oh, thanks for showing them our room.
Nice and clean.
Wow.
Yeah, I just cleaned it. So basically we're gonna try to vlog every time we're together. And
Almost every day.
yeah, almost every day. In the mornings, after school, maybe sometimes during school. We're in high school. We're freshmen.
Yeah.
We're both 14.
We're dorks.
Yeah. You like our hair? So, that was mean. Hit me. So, basically tonight, we're just chilling here. We just ate some Pop Rocks, so you'll see that later.
Yeah.
Don't try not to be disgusted. We just ate dinner.
Ouch, Bart. Sorry, the red light in my eye. Okay, that's better.
So, basically, we're gonna do this. Well, what are some things you like to do? Tell them about yourself.
Swimming and running and being a lazy bum. That doesn't go anything with those, but yeah. And yeah, I like eating because I like to be fat.
Yeah. Look at that belly.
Yeah, right.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
A dietitian, which doesn't work because I eat a lot.
Okay.
Yeah.
My turn.
Okay.
You want to film? Okay.
Oh my god, I shred.
I cheerlead. That's really all I ever do. I have no life. What else do I do? I hang out with friends. I go to the mall. I text. I'm your average teenage girl.
Me too.
And there are a lot of things I want to be. I want to be a film and producer.
Aw, text message from Frank probably.
My brother.
Oh no, it's Rachel.
And I want to major in cosmetology. And yeah, pretty amazing.
Yeah.
So this is our intro to YouTube. As I drop the camera, I'm not good at this. So yeah, we will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.
You want to see me Dougie Ready? Sprinkler. Jump around.
Oh, never mind. Is it recording? You want some?
Yeah, you go first.
Okay. Just make sure not to like lick it. Oh my god! It's cracking on my hand.
So bring your mouth close. Take it.
Oh my god, they're ouch. When they're cracking in your throat, it's like scary. Oh my god, that's a lot. When you bite them, it's scary.
Nice note.
Oh, that's hot.
Yeah.
Choking from Papa. Did you see it pop? We should upload this to YouTube.
Dude, there's like no more.
Because I don't have...
It's on my thing.
Because I don't have any videos on my YouTube account.
Neither do I. Oh no!
Do you want to say goodbye?
Say goodbye first. Hope you liked that.
Night for today.
Oh, let me take my note. You got it? Shake it up, 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 shake it up. Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready? You gotta kiss the camera, ready? Bye!